sexy ka pala sa personal.
Ayan na, isa na rin siyang nagsabi. Mamaya beautiful na rin sasabihin.
Dahil hindi ko naman in-expect na makakapagbigay din ako ng ganong kasiyahan. At least may konting nervyos, pero sa una lang naman. Listen to me when I say, beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no mistake. I'm on the right path, baby, I was born this way. That's how you say me, just love yourself. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Ooh, there ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way. Ooh, there ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Right track, baby, I was born this way. Kasi pag napipili mo yung kanta, nilagay mo sa puso mo, talagang maganda magiging performance. Yeah, did it my way. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Talagang thank you po talaga at sumuporta kayo. At least napakita ko po na tayo mga Pilipino talagang magagaling, di ba? Pwede nating pagmalaki kahit saan bansa tayo. Message ko po, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana sa uulitin po. Thank you po.
that is going to keep the memory of this evening, and this is a special certificate of honor as an ambassador of goodwill appointed by us, and this is going to be yours to carry. Thank you so much. Yes. And once again, I mean, a round of applause.